Hello, this is Mark again, and I would like to show you some new features that we have developed for our Interact Pro Foundation and Advanced system. Over here you can see a luminaire, which is a tunable white luminaire, which means that you can change the color temperature from cool white to warm white. And these are luminaires which are based on the SNS 210 and wireless driver generation 2, which all communicate over Bluetooth. So what I did is I have created a small project which is called TW for Tunable White. In there is just a group with those 4 luminaires and this one. And you can already see some new screens in the app. So over here, when your project was already made, you can see that you can, of course, still turn on and off your lights. So now I've turned the slider off, the luminaires will go off. When I turn them on, they will turn on again. And here is the color temperature slider. So when I slide it to warm white, then these lights will go to warmer. And when I slide them to cool, you will see that the luminaires now will go to cool as well. Also, when you go to the scene creation, you can see some new features as well. There is the color temperature slider. So when you want to create a scene which recalls warmer or cooler white, then this is how you can do that. It's always on group level. So when you have multiple tunable white luminaires in a group, you can then change the color temperature value for the entire group. So you cannot do that per luminaire if that would be one of the customer's questions. In a new app, there will also be a new reboot function in the system that allows you to reboot all the luminaires in the entire group. And let me also show you the switch, which when you add the 4-button switch, you get some extra explanation. Let's first start with the switch. So I have added a 4-button switch. And when I change the configuration, maybe some people already recall that from the training, is when you select the screen, a scene here, of course, you can create a new scene. That's what we have just seen. You can either select it or unselect it. But this is new in the hold. When you long press this one, which is this side of the switch, then your lights will get cooler. And when you press here, the lights will get warmer. This is still darker and brighter. So when I turn the lights all on, for example, or all off, you can also press and hold, then everything dims up. And when you press and hold this button, then the lights will get cooler. And when you press and hold, this one will get the lights here. They will get warmer. Maybe you don't notice it very well, but here the light now becomes more yellow, which means warmer. And this is cooler, and it becomes more blue. Okay. And the reboot function from group level is in here. So when you press, so let me show you what happens. Imagine that my lights are off, and then I press reboot lights. Then you will get a message that you need to hold your phone up straight and need to be standing nearby luminaires. Unfortunately, the message was so quick that we even didn't see it. We will change that. But as you can see, the lights were off, but due to the reboot, the lights were then turned on again because they have now been rebooted. This might be necessary sometimes for some troubleshooting. If, for example, the normal troubleshoot option is not working, then you can try to reboot the entire group, and maybe that will solve some issues. Then there are also, instead of having the 3 buttons here, you can now slide the menu here, and then from here you can choose what you want to do, test, rename, and that is the same in other parts of the program as well, as you can see here. Because previously people had some trouble when pressing these buttons here, that sometimes the app didn't really react. I don't know if this has also been, no, this has not been implemented on network level. So for here, you still will need to press on the 3-dot menu to either sync or unlock your project. Okay, this was all that I wanted to explain. It is new in our system. You might get questions about it, but now at least you have seen these new features.